Hello and welcome to Technical Stage Productions at Hayesfield Mixed Sixth Form. I'm Mr. Cottle and I'm the lead on this fantastic subject. They say that performing arts is the beating heart of Hayesfield, and behind all that is all the technical theatre support that we offer as part of this course, from lighting, sound, stage management, projection and production support.
Act 1, Beginners on Stage.
Hello and welcome to the Cambridge Technical in Performing Arts at Hayesfield. This is being promoted as Stage Productions, as it's all about the backstage and technical side of performing arts. So the course is set up ready to get you into the industry at the end of the course, or to set you up for a path in further education in technical theatre. And we've had students go to Bristol or Vic and study professional stage management, as well as other universities around England. So these are just some of the events that students have got involved with. The other year we had some students involved in a Scout Jamboree with 4,500 people and a professional stage and lighting setup.
We do lots and lots of skills building during the course. We're looking at rope work, working at heights, manual handling, and we look at taking apart lights and fixtures and looking at how maintenance is worked. We look at how you can combine projection and video and LED lighting and more intelligent lighting to be able to create different effects on stage.
I chose technical stage production because I'm a practical learner and it's exam free.
I chose this subject because I'd like to do a future job including the same skill set.
I'm really enjoying taking technical stage production, and I've really enjoyed the work experience here, working on shows like Windrush and Summer Holiday, as well as some Christmas concert.
I really like stage production because I get to see how productions are made behind the scenes, and I like doing the practical work.
We have some really fantastic equipment available to you in the Rope Theatre and at Hayesfield. You also get the added advantage that we have theatre equipment, both lighting and sound and professional equipment, that is brought in for external events, and then we have the opportunity to be able to use them and learn from them. You can see here we've got some students working at height. Okay, one of the first lessons for some of you, you'll be 5 meters in the air on our taller scope and ladders.
I've got 20 years production and technical experience in theatre and performing arts, in producing and directing and stage management, and more recently lighting and sound. So I've been a key member of the technical and production teams for various events, including the World Scout Jamboree and Live 07, which took place at the O2 Arena in London. I've been producing and directing events for the past 20 years, and I've also got some links with UK stage events companies that are often linked in with the students' work experience or future opportunities. We've got lots of opportunities for students through our work with various local drama companies such as Curtain Up, Bath Drama, Stagecoach, PQA and Playing Up. And this opens up a lot of doors and opportunities for our technical performing arts students. So the course is currently in its 6th year at Hayesfield. It's a Cambridge Technical Certificate Level 3 in Performing Arts, which can be worth up to 140 UCAS points. So the grades are Pass, Merit and Distinction Star, and these are equivalent to A Star, A, C and E. I am very pleased that we have 100% merits, distinction stars on the course overall since we've started running it 6 years ago. It's got a production and technical focus, and I'm a really firm believer that it's not just about getting students to pass this course, it's about giving them key and lifetime skills in the technical performing arts industry, and with specialised equipment as well, so the students can be set up ready to go into a future in performing arts. So the course is made up of 6 units, and one of them is a double unit. So during Year 12, students study Unit 1, Unit 2, and they prepare to work in the performing arts sector, and they look at CVs and 5-year progression plans and skills building. And then also students take part in a commissioning brief, where we get a brief from the exam board and we put together a budgeting and risk assessment proposal for a commissioning brief in technical theatre. Year 12 is very much keyed up with work experience, and we hope that students would achieve about 80 hours of work experience during their first year on the course to give them the necessary skills ready to go through to year 13. And we do a lot of skills building during our lessons. So during year 13 we have 3 units of work. We have an influential practice unit of work which is taking place in January in year 13, and students present to camera and look at practitioners and lighting effects and bring in projection and sound effects into their coursework. In following that, we have a combined arts project, which is normally our annual dance evening, where the students combine all their skills over the 2 years of the course and being able to put on a showcase and fully support the technical support for the dance evening. And then finally we have a research project. Students have very much an open book on a research topic that is close to their own hearts or something that they're interested in technical performing arts, and they have to produce a report on it. We have lots of work experience in production. Last year we were delighted to be working with some of our students over in Bristol. They got the opportunity to run the lighting for a production of Summer Holiday. This also gives them a real life experience of other venues and other facilities and other staff members as well, really to be able to build up their skills for a future in technical performing arts. We've also run various trips. In the past we've had tours of the Bristol Hippodrome, we've gone around various production companies, and this one we've got some pictures here of a trip to Bath University. Bath University offer production courses at degree level, and they are based just around the corner from the Roper Theatre, and they've got some really stunning facilities and workshop facilities which they showed our students around, and so there's opportunities for a future there with them as well. So some of the highlights of our course: we aim for a tour of a professional theatre. Students are encouraged to form links with local drama groups so they can enhance their own skills in a live environment where we can have their own pressures and experiences and develop their own skills outside of the theatre and the classroom. Students are encouraged to run their own arts projects, and that actually forms part of Unit 4 in Year 13. As a team, they will manage and oversee all the planning and technical aspects of a production. They've got lots of opportunities to use their new skills in real life environment and in professional environments throughout both years, through their contacts with local amateur drama groups and lighting and sound companies. So if this sounds a course for you, do get in touch. If you email a.cottle@hazel.com, and I will be able to answer any further questions.
The Roper Theatre really is the central hub of Hayesfield, and this opens up tons of enrichment opportunities for you. So whether you want to have a go at stage management, you want to have a go at doing lighting or projection, or just get involved into the running of the Roper Theatre, then this is an opportunity for you.